Good day, viewers, and welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. We share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problems, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors. Also using natural ingredients, natural plants, natural herbs, natural roots, natural resources that God has created, harnessing their spiritual properties, energies, frequencies, and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. And if this is your first time of coming in contact with this face or joining us on this channel, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video, you will get notified. Like my videos, share my videos, and comment on the comment section. And for those of you who are my backbone, my day one gang, my bona fide subscribers, my returning viewers, you know who you are. May God continue to bless you. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for always patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials, supporting me in money and in kind, and introducing me to people. Also testifying what God is using me to do on here. This year shall be with your year. Without wasting each and every one of your time, in today's video, I want to share with us why you should bury your name with your early morning urine, the benefits, and all you intend to gain after doing this powerful recipe. We all know that urine is very powerful to destroy anything spell, anything black magic, anything voodoo, anything evil charm or attack that has been working against you. And that is why most of you that has done my early morning urine recipes on here, they have many testimonies to share. It has been on testimony galore. So if you do this particular recipe, believe me, within 7 days, your testimony will be cleared. The year has started and everybody wants God to give him or her a testimony. This year, God is going to answer your prayers. God has never forsaken you. Please do this particular recipe and disgrace all your enemies. Make your enemies powerless and become spiritual powerful. Remember, if you don't defeat your enemies, your blessings might be delayed. But once you succeed in defeating your enemies, in disgracing them, your blessings will flow non-stop. That is the secret. Like I always said, the spiritual controls the physical realm. When you are able to tackle any of your problem spiritually, believe me, in the physical is going to manifest physically. So how do you do this? And what other things do you need to get? First and foremost, you are going to be needing a plain sheet of paper like this. When you get your plain sheet of paper like this, you have to get a red marker or a blue pen or a blue marker. Write your name on this piece of paper. If you know your date of birth, go ahead and write it under your name. You write your name and your date of birth. Then for your urine, you have to get your early morning urine with a bowl or a cup. Then put your name inside your early morning urine and call your name. You call your name, I, Brother Chima. Wherever they have mentioned my name that is making things to go wrong for me, that is making me to be stagnant, that is causing this kind of delay that I'm facing in my life, that is causing stagnation, that is causing hatred, that is causing rejection, that is causing poverty. As from today, I, Brother Chima, I will be delivered in the name of the universe. Pray with whatever name you believe in. Pray again that whatsoever that has been working against you in the years past, most of us, our problem started over 15 years or 20 years ago. So some started from birth. That is why I always tell people to be careful. when they have a newborn child. Be careful on your children, because some child, their destiny might be tampered if their mother or their fathers are not careful. So whenever you have children, know whoever you allow to touch them and where you take them to and who you leave your children to. Know how to protect yourself and how to protect your family. So you pray and said, whoever that has tampered with my destiny, whoever that has mentioned my name in any evil altar, in any evil temple, in any evil shrine, let it stop working as of this moment of the day. You call the date that you are doing this spell. That today, being February 19th, no spell made by a man or a spirit or a woman will work against me again, whether dead or alive. Listen, some people have done some spell on your body and they are dead, but it's still working on your body. So if you say whether dead or alive, it will cease to work against me from today. Whether they blow it on the air, whether they scent it, it will still to work. Then you take that urine that is containing your name, that urine that you put your name inside, go and dig a ground. As you dig a ground, you pour the urine, because your name has to be inside the urine. As you make your prayers, make sure your name is inside the urine. Make sure your name is inside your early morning urine. You must add your name inside your early morning urine. Then go outside, dig a ground, make a hole where you are going to pour your name and your early morning urine. As you pour your name and your early morning urine inside that ground, cover it and be matching it. And say, as I have poured my name and my early morning urine inside this ground, let the ground bear me witness. I am here to destroy whatsoever they have buried against me. The urine and my name that I poured in here is to destroy whatsoever spell that they have done against my name. My name will begin to speak for me in any evil altar they have called my name. It is not going to work again. When they mention my name, the blood of the land that I am stepping upon, will destroy such tribe that is mentioning my name. As from today henceforth, my name will destroy every spell working against me. Anywhere they have planned to affect me, whatsoever they have done against me, this my name and my urine that I bury here today will destroy them. That is why in so many compounds, when they do some spiritual exercisement, you see some things that they buried so many years ago in the compound, the ground will just bring it out. Yes, this recipe is best done early in the morning. Early in the morning, go and try this out. Bury your name with your early morning glory inside the earth and make a pronunciation that nothing that any man or any woman do with your name that will work against you or against your family. This will help you. It will protect you. It will protect your household. It will protect your family. Please consider subscribing and like this video and also share it. And God bless you. See you in my next video. And never you forget that we have our local materials that are locally made and spiritually charged on here. And a lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. We have the road opening soap, the course breaking soap, the back to sender soap, the anti-witchcraft soap, the hand me not soap, the crowd pulling soap, the love and attraction soap. We also have the Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft movement object remover, the moving object destroyer. If something is crawling inside your body, if anything is moving inside your body, and you have gone to the hospital, to the doctors, and they diagnose it, they say there is nothing wrong with you, and you are sick, you are dying slowly. Is it a manipulation of the devil, or something you have eaten in the dream, or an encounter that you have had in where you travel, in that village you went to, and since then your body has been scratching you? It has been from one affliction of the devil to the other. Please, I have your antidote. It is called a plus dators, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the movement object remover. This is tested and trusted. We ship all part of the whole world with DHL, EMS, FedEx. My number is +2347088136610. That is my number. Don't hesitate to call me if you need me to do anything spiritually for you. God bless you. See you in my next video, and share this video. And as you share it, whatsoever that made you to come in contact of my voice and in contact of my face, my God will solve it for you. See you later.